Today I'm gonna be unboxing Camel's brush pens. So let's do it. Okay. There's so many bright colors in this. Wow. These colors are so bright. Let's try to do some art now. I did a shine bright kind of doodle here, and these are all the colors. Which one is your favorite? My favorite is definitely this one. It's so bright. Pens have a very good fine tip, and for shading they give this like a support. So if you're like shading, you can hold it like this so it doesn't hurt, and then you can like shade like this. And it is very easy to draw, and you can do finer details because of the pointed tip. And it is non-alcoholic, so it will not come behind the page. Here, only the shadows there. It won't come, and it's very useful. I would recommend you to get this because it's very good. And make sure to subscribe. Bye guys. Check out these Camel brush pens. Bye.